Imagine owning a home that naturally stays cool in summer, gives every family member their own private wing, and still comes in under $150,000 in 2026. That home exists. It has been around for over 200 years, and it is making one of the biggest comebacks in affordable home design right now. It is called the Dogtrot House, and once you see what you get for the money, you are going to wonder why nobody told you about this sooner. Before we get into the designs and the numbers, do me a favor. If you are watching this video and you are serious about affordable home building, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications. Every week on this channel, we bring you real, research-backed content on home designs, cost breakdowns, and building strategies that can actually save you money. Do not miss a single one. Now let us get into it. What is a Dogtrot home, and why would the Dogtrot house is one of the most practical and beautiful designs to ever come out of American architecture? It originated in the southern United States in the early 1800s, born out of necessity in hot and humid climates. The concept is brilliantly simple. Two separate living wings sit side by side under one shared roof, connected by an open central breezeway. That breezeway, or covered open passage running through the middle of the home, is the heart of the design. It creates a natural wind tunnel, pulling cool air through the house and pushing warm air out. Before air conditioning existed, this was engineering at its finest. The name comes from the fact that dogs would literally trot through that breezy passageway on hot days to stay cool. Today, that same passage becomes your outdoor dining room, your reading nook, your social heart, and your connection between the two wings of your home. Now, why wood? Because wood is the most cost-effective structural material for this design. When you are working with a target budget under $150,000, timber framing and wood siding give you the most flexibility, the warmest aesthetic, and the fastest build time. Natural wood also ages beautifully, and when you treat and seal it correctly, it holds up for decades. Modern builders are pairing traditional wood construction with standing seam metal roofing, giving these homes incredible curb appeal while keeping maintenance low. The combination of natural wood exteriors, covered porches, and that iconic open breezeway creates a look that turns heads every single time. Design 1. The compact two-bedroom Dogtrot. 800 to 1,000 square feet. This is your entry-level Dogtrot, and honestly, one of the smartest builds you can do for the money in 2026. At 800 to 1,000 square feet of heated living space, this design gives you 2 bedrooms, 1 or 2 bathrooms, an open-concept kitchen and living area in one wing, a master suite or guest wing on the other side, and that glorious central breezeway connecting everything. The layout works perfectly on narrow lots, which is one of the biggest advantages of the Dogtrot footprint. Because the two wings stretch horizontally rather than expanding outward in all directions, you can fit this home on lots that would reject a conventional floor plan entirely. In terms of materials, a compact wooden Dogtrot at this size uses primarily dimensional lumber framing, board and batten or lapwood siding, a simple gable or shed roof with metal roofing panels, and standard double-pane windows. Vaulted ceilings in the main living wing make the compact square footage feel much larger than it is. In 2026, at the national average of around $100 to $150 per square foot for a budget-conscious build in the rural South or Midwest, this home comes in at roughly $80,000 to $130,000 for construction costs, not including land. That is well within the $150,000 ceiling. Stick to builder-grade finishes, a slab or pier foundation rather than a full basement, and a straightforward rectangular footprint, and you can hit the lower end of that range comfortably. Design 2. The 3-bedroom Dogtrot cabin, 1,400 to 1,600 square feet. This is the most popular size range for Dogtrot designs right now because it hits the sweet spot between affordability and full family functionality. Plans like the Diana's Dogtrot, which offers 1,555 square feet across 2 stories, give you 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a screened central breezeway, a front porch, vaulted ceilings, and a loft space, all on a narrow 48-foot wide footprint. For a family that wants space, privacy between living areas, and serious outdoor living, this design delivers everything. One wing typically holds the main living, dining, and kitchen area. The other wing holds the bedrooms. The breezeway in the middle becomes the screened porch where families actually spend most of their time. It is shaded, ventilated, and connected to both sides of the house. Some plans at this size even add a rear deck extending off the breezeway, so the outdoor space flows into the backyard. Wood construction at this size benefits enormously from the two-wing layout. Because the roof spans two separate wings rather than one massive footprint, you avoid the engineering complexity of large open spans. That keeps structural costs down. Board and batten siding, exposed wood beam accents, a covered wraparound porch, and metal roofing complete the exterior. At the $100 to $150 per square foot benchmark for a standard build, 1,555 square feet works out to approximately $155,000 on the high end. To keep it under $150,000, you make smart decisions on finishes. Builder-grade kitchen cabinets, laminate countertops initially, vinyl plank flooring instead of hardwood, and a crawl space or pier foundation instead of a basement. These are not compromises you will regret. They are cost controls you can upgrade over time. In the right region, particularly in the rural Southeast, parts of Texas, the Midwest, and the Mountain West, this build absolutely lands under $150,000. Design 3. The modern wooden Dogtrot with an open breezeway. 1,200 to 1,400 square feet. This is where the Dogtrot design gets a 2026 upgrade, and honestly becomes one of the most jaw-dropping, affordable homes you can build for the money. The modern Dogtrot takes all the functional brilliance of the original design and wraps it in sleek, contemporary finishes. Think dark wood or black metal accents on the exterior, floor-to-ceiling windows on the living wing, a master suite with its own private porch on the bedroom wing, and a central breezeway that doubles as a fully outdoor living room with a built-in fireplace or a sliding glass garage-style door that closes it in during winter. At 1,200 to 1,400 square feet, this configuration typically offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, an open-concept kitchen, dining, and living area in one wing, a luxurious master retreat in the other, and a central breezeway designed for entertaining. The exterior uses a combination of natural wood cladding, standing seam metal roofing, and large format windows to create that clean, modern farmhouse look that performs extremely well on YouTube and social media if you are looking at this from a content angle. But more importantly, it performs extremely well as a livable, comfortable home. The modern interpretation does cost slightly more per square foot because of the larger window packages and the more detailed exterior design work. Budget $120 to $160 per square foot for this version. At 1,300 square feet, you are looking at $156,000 to $208,000 at mid-range. To keep this under $150,000, you need to be building in a low to mid-cost region, work with a builder familiar with this style, and source your materials strategically. Buying stock plans rather than commissioning custom architectural drawings immediately saves you $10,000 to $45,000. More on that in the cost breakdown section coming up. Design 4. The Dogtrot with an optional lower level, 2,000 plus square feet. Now this design is for the viewer who wants to build generationally, or who needs a multi-generational layout that keeps families together while giving everyone their own space. Larger Dogtrot plans, like the big Dogtrot design at 2,219 square feet, add a 2-story layout, a vaulted family room, an optional walkout basement with additional bedrooms, a recreation room, and a dedicated guest master suite below the main level. With wood and timber framing throughout, covered porches on both front and rear, and that iconic double-screened breezeway connecting the upper wings, this is a home that looks like it costs twice what it actually does. Building this under $150,000 is achievable only in the most cost-friendly regions of the country, the rural Southeast, parts of the Midwest, and specific areas of the South where labor rates remain competitive. At the basic finish level of $100 per square foot, 2,000 square feet works out to exactly $200,000. To hit $150,000 on this size, you would need to phase the build, completing the main level first and adding the basement or second level later, which the Dogtrot design actually accommodates beautifully because the two-wing structure allows staged construction naturally. The real cost breakdown for wooden Dogtrot homes in 2026. This is the section most people skip to, and honestly, you are right to focus here. Let us talk real numbers. In 2026, the average cost per square foot to build a home in the United States sits at around $162 nationally, with a range of $100 to $500 plus, depending on location and finish level. For a budget-conscious build targeting under $150,000, you are working in the $100 to $150 per square foot range, which is entirely realistic in the right regions. Here is how the cost of a 1,200 square foot wooden Dogtrot typically breaks down. Foundation, whether slab, crawl space, or pier and beam, typically runs between $8,000 and $20,000. Framing and structural lumber for a wooden Dogtrot at this size runs approximately $25,000 to $40,000. Roofing, especially metal standing seam, which is the preferred choice for Dogtrot homes, runs $12,000 to $20,000. Exterior siding, board and batten wood or engineered wood, runs $8,000 to $15,000. Windows and exterior doors run approximately $8,000 to $14,000. Plumbing rough-in and fixtures land between $10,000 and $15,000. Electrical wiring and panel installation runs $4 to $9 per square foot, putting a 1,200 square foot home at approximately $5,000 to $11,000. HVAC, which in a Dogtrot benefits from the natural ventilation of the breezeway and therefore requires less aggressive sizing, runs $8,000 to $12,000. Insulation runs $3,000 to $6,000. Interior drywall, paint, and trim lands at $8,000 to $15,000. Kitchen and bathroom finishes at the builder grade level run $12,000 to $20,000. Flooring at the vinyl plank or basic hardwood level runs $4,000 to $8,000. Site prep, grading, and utility connections add another $8,000 to $20,000 depending on your lot conditions. Add a 10 to 15% contingency buffer on top of all of that, because material price fluctuations in 2026 are still very real, particularly with lumber prices that remain roughly 15% above pre-pandemic levels due to tariff pressures and ongoing supply chain adjustments. In total, a well-managed 1,200 square foot wooden Dogtrot home in a cost-friendly region lands at approximately $110,000 to $145,000 for construction, not including land. A 1,555 square foot version pushes to $130,000 to $160,000. Staying under $150,000 is absolutely realistic at the smaller end or in states with lower labor costs. Land costs, permits, and utility connections are always additional and vary dramatically by location. Tips to build your wooden Dogtrot under $150,000 in 2026. The first and most impactful decision you can make is buying a stock plan instead of commissioning a custom architect. Custom architectural drawings in 2026 cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. A quality stock Dogtrot plan from a reputable plan house runs $1,500 to $5,000 and is just as buildable. That one decision alone protects your budget significantly. Second, choose your region carefully. Building the same Dogtrot home in rural Mississippi, eastern Tennessee, or central Texas costs dramatically less than building it in California, the Pacific Northwest, or the Northeast. Labor availability is a major driver, and in 2026, skilled trade shortages are pushing hourly wages up 8 to 12% annually in competitive markets. Third, build simple. Every time you add a bump out, a complex roofline, or an additional bathroom, you are adding cost. The Dogtrot's rectangular two-wing layout is naturally cost-efficient because it avoids the expensive architectural gymnastics of complex custom builds. Fourth, prioritize structure and systems over cosmetic finishes. Your foundation, framing, roof, plumbing, and electrical are the investments that protect your home for decades. Your countertops, cabinets, and flooring can always be upgraded later when your budget allows. Do not sacrifice structure for cosmetics. Fifth, add that contingency buffer. Every experienced builder will tell you this. Budget 10 to 15% above your estimated construction cost for unexpected expenses. On a $130,000 build, that means having $143,000 to $150,000 ready. It is not pessimism. It is smart building. Why the Dogtrot is having a moment in 2026. People are tired of paying luxury prices for homes that look identical to every other home on the block. The Dogtrot offers something genuinely different. It connects you to the outdoors in a way that conventional floor plans simply cannot. It separates living and sleeping spaces organically, which works perfectly for multi-generational families, work-from-home setups, or simply wanting to keep the kids' wing of the house on one side and the adult space on the other. The central breezeway reduces your cooling costs in warm climates because the natural ventilation does work that your HVAC system would otherwise have to do. That translates to real savings on your energy bills month after month. The covered porches front and rear extend your usable living space without the cost of heated square footage. And aesthetically, the wooden Dogtrot is simply one of the most beautiful and timeless designs in American residential architecture. It looks rooted in the land. It looks like it belongs wherever you build it. In 2026, when cookie-cutter subdivisions and plastic-looking modular homes dominate the affordable housing market, a wooden Dogtrot stands apart entirely. So there you have it. Wooden Dogtrot home designs under $150,000 in 2026. 4 real design configurations, a full cost breakdown, and the honest tips you need to actually pull this off. The Dogtrot is not just a trend. It is one of the smartest, most livable, and most cost-efficient home designs available to builders working with real-world budgets right now. If this video helped you understand your options better, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps this channel reach more people who are trying to build affordably and intelligently. Drop a comment below and tell me which Dogtrot design spoke to you the most. Was it the compact 2-bedroom, the 3-bedroom cabin, the modern design, or the larger multi-generational layout? I read every comment. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans. This channel is built for people who want honest, research-backed information about home design, construction costs, and building strategies that actually work. Subscribe, and let us keep building smarter together. I will see you in the next one.